We are overcomers. To be an overcomer means to live in light of the victory God has already won on our behalf. It means we choose to walk in that victory each day as members of His kingdom. It means we choose to win the fight against fear, speak truth instead of falsehood, promote wisdom rather than confusion, and more. Are you ready for such a life? For those of us who choose to live as overcomers, God has promised several key blessings throughout His Word. In this booklet, we will focus on 8 of those promised blessings: strength, truth, goodness, peace, faith, wisdom, victory over temptation, and prayer. These promises will serve as the foundation for your daily life as an overcomer. Are you ready? Are you ready? Hango po ito sa libro ng Promises for the Overcomer by Dr. David Jeremiah. Paminsan-minsan naman po ay nagbabasa din naman ako ng libro. Hindi lang naman po ako puro trabaho. I think reading is good as a hobby. Nakaka-stimulate po ng brain at nakaka-prevent po ng makalimutin or magkakaroon ng senior moments. Pag senior po, kailangan nating alagaan ang ating brain. So, I encourage everyone, seniors, paminsan-minsan magbasa po tayo. And it's good reading out loud. It's good for us. Enjoy reading. Bye-bye. Good night.